guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my hair. I pretty much need to trim my sides every 2 weeks or so because my hair grows rapidly fast on the sides. My Asian textured straight hair, it just poofs out on the side when it grows out, and I want it like to lay flat, you know, lay them edges. Like I like doing this hairstyle, and I like doing, you know, whatever. Here, I'll put pictures here of the hairstyles that I like to do. So this is how I'm gonna do it, and today I'm gonna be using this electrical buzzer here. It's cordless. It's called the Trim 2, I believe. I found it at Marshall's. I know this isn't good quality or anything, but I just kind of want to put it in my set bag for, like, you know, quick touch-ups, trims, or whatever if I ever do any grooming. So we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. I know it's already cheap already. I mean, just like looking at it, but hey, look at the design. So sleek, right? My mom started cutting my hair first. I've only gone to the barbershop like once, and I came home and my mom I remember the day my mom just started yelling at me because I was so ugly. You know, the haircut was ugly, not me, because, you know, mama's boy. I'm just gonna be using this today. It's like just a little mirror, and Try Me, or it's the Trim 2, and it's like this really sleek design. It's like a cordless trimmer. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim in levels. This comes with 4 trim heads. I don't know what they're called. Guards. They're called guards. I'm gonna start with a 9. I'm gonna cut this all the way up so it's like one length, and then go shorter from there. So it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm just gonna do it. It's not that loud, so that's good. Not bad. It's actually, I mean, it's not that powerful. It's not that strong, and the quality's not that great, because you can see, like, I was having a hard time cutting the thicker hair and longer hair up here. If you want a budget like me, this works alright. So every time I do this by myself, I'm always in the bathroom. I can see the mirror behind me. I want it to be shorter here, and then just kind of have more length up here. So I gotta cut more like down like this. And there's like a good chunk of hair right here that I need to thin down. So you can see from the side, there's like this ugly line right here. You have to get rid of that. So we gonna do that. And this is 6. So we had previously had the 9, and now we're going to 6. We're just gonna go like halfway. This little weird spot right here, so what we're gonna do is try to blend it in. So we're just gonna do like flicking motions and try to blend the short part to the longer part. I'm gonna go shorter. 3. I'm gonna do 3. The way my head grows, I think it's because I gained a lot of weight, is that my head's like not even. So there, if you actually feel my head, it's like, it's kind of groovy. So I hate it that it doesn't make the fade look perfect, but whatever. So yeah, short. Okay, I'm not using this for that, cause your boy can't see. Okay. Just grab a little chunk. Just go down like that. So I'm back. I just came out from outside. It's so cold out there. We had to shovel the driveway. But yeah, I'm back and my face is so cold. So pink. Alright, so I have like a bowl of water down here with me, and I'm going to shave. I don't know, thought I'd just do it on camera just cause, you know, why not? Ooh, can you guys hear that? That's like some ASMR kind of stuff. I'm gonna go, you know, wash up and I'll be right back. I pretty much just styled my hair. I used the Hans de Fuco hybridized wax. This is like a little one because my bigger one's in my kit. I'm planning to do some styling tutorials, which pretty much was the basis of my channel when I first started back in high school. And it's been so long since I've done a hair tutorial, and I'd actually never spoken in any of those, so this whole YouTube thing is really new for me. If you guys want to see that, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and follow me on my social media networks. And that's all Peter Fungus. See you later. Bye! I'm really bad at this talking thing.